Hello, and welcome to Mindful Motivation 77. Thanks for joining me. As we close the book on 2024, we can start a new book or a sequel for 2025. We have 12 chapters and 365 chances. Chapter 1 will be Reset, Refocus, and Rebuild. In Isaiah 43:18, the scripture says, "Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past." Do not dwell on any mistakes or bad decisions you made in 2024. Let's put them behind us and make 2025 a year of new beginnings. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. What happened has happened. Free your mind from it. You're about to start a new chapter in your new life. Let's begin each day with gratitude. Remember, if nothing changes, nothing changes. Without making a change, the situation will remain the same. Trust the process. Trusting in God's plan means acknowledging that His vision for our lives is far greater than we can imagine. 2025 is a year of new beginnings. We are leaving behind the bitterness, hurt, doubt, abuse, pain, and rejection. Only looking back to thank God and looking forward to trust God. So let's reset our minds. Mindset is everything. Refocus. What do you want to do this year? And let's rebuild. Let's set small, realistic goals for the first quarter of the year as we start the first chapter of 2025. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also, Happy New Year.